Hello everyone. Thanks for joining the session. So today we'll discuss about 5 important interview questions and enterprise structures in SAP S. So this also will help you to troubleshoot production issues as well. If you are working as a support consultant, what kind of checks you will do as soon as you find this kind of issues. So let us discuss one by one. So here I have listed 5 questions, which are common and most important questions. Question number 1. If the sales order cannot be created for a customer, then what settings you will check in SAP? So for creating the sales order for a customer, if the issue is due to customer settings, first check about the customer that the customer is extended to the sales area for which you are going to create the order. Okay. So if you see the first screen where you see the order type and also the organization you take for creating the setup. So the first is the sales area where you need to check whether the customer is extended or not. And second validation will be the sales organization which you are taking in the sales area. That sales organization should be assigned to the particular company code. And for sales organization, distribution channel and division should be assigned OK. So there, when I said that you first screen, you are taking the sales organization, division, distribution channel, you are without entering those data because that is not mandatory. You can go to the next screen and as soon as you give the customer master number, so it will throw the error message. Okay, that sales area is not defined or so. Next is plant is not assigned to the sales organization. This might be one of the cause that if the plant is not assigned to the sales org or not. Hello. The plant to be determined automatically or manually to be entered. So that might be the another cause. And when we talk about the sales are extension to the KNVV table, that is related to ECC. So we proceeded up. Since this extension. So for S4 HANA you just need to check whether the customer role Fulku01 is created for the sales area or not. So that role is created for the same customer. Okay, so these are the checks you will do. Here is second question. If your plant is not visible while creating a sales order, what could be the reason? So if you are creating the sales order, you have entered the customer number, customer master number, and you have given this material code. But this plant is not visible in the plant field, so in the line item you're not able to see the plant. Maybe one of the cause. So let us discuss about the causes. So the plant is not assigned to the sales organization distribution channel combination. But the plant is not maintained in the material master sales plant view, so that you are not able to pull the information from the material master. And next is the customer material info record may be restricting the plant. And also another check you need to do if the plant is blocked or not assigned to the delivering plant list for that customer. Okay. Question number 3. So the customer belongs to one sales organization but material assigned to different sales organization, then what will happen? So you are extending customer to one sales organization, the material is assigned to other sales organization, what will happen? Obviously the order cannot be created. Anyone can say that. Okay, So you can say that the material is not extended to this sales organization or defined in the sales organization error. Next is shipping point. Shipping point is not determined in the delivery. Then why? How you can resolve this? So shipping point is not determined at the delivery. Basically, shipping point determination is also happening at the sales order level. Okay. So in the sales order, the question may be tricky that they're asking about the delivery. Shipping point is not determining the delivery. So it might be the sales order when you create it. The user has created the sales order. He has not looked at the shipping point because it is in the shipping tab of the line item, so he has not gone to see that. He has not gone to that line item to see that what is the shipping point determined, but he has gone to the next screen when he has saved the order or he has gone for creating a delivery and it says that there is no shipping point. So shipping point is determined, not determined in the delivery. That's why. So how we can resolve? So you can resolve this, shipping point determination which is happening on the C based upon the shipping condition from the customer master record and loading group and applied. So there are three parameters. One is shipping condition, another is loading group and plant. If the customer master shipping condition is not defined, loading group is not defined, and obviously this combination where the determination takes place, that combination is not maintained, so then it will not determine the shipping point. So you need to go to the shipping point determination table. Either you go to a table to see or you go to SPRO determine the shipping point. Here you have the mapping configured. You should have the combination shipping condition, loading group and plant, which is maintained with the default shipping point and manual shipping point. So if those entries are not there, then your shipping point would not be determined. So when you go for delivery, it will say that no shipping point is available or no shipping point. Isn't it? Next question. Sales organization data is missing in the material master. So what will impact it will have so if the sales organization data is not created for the metal master. Definitely the material master cannot be used at the sales order. So without sales organization 1 and 2, which is actually the sales organization data, if the material cannot be entered under sales org, then the system throws an error that no sales data exists for the material. So unless it will have that sales data, it will the sales data what sales data view contains. It contains the material account assignment group, item category determination, delivering plant and your tax classification. All this. So all these are affecting pricing, delivering plant, tax classification, item category. All this will be impacted. So that's why you will not be able to proceed further without fixing the issue. Okay. So these are very common questions and on the SAP SD and the interface structure which generally comes accuracy in any kind of interview. So I listed all these questions based upon my experience so that it would be helpful for you to answer these questions and you can crack your interviews, crack your certification exam. Thank you everyone for seeing the video. You can share your views on this video by sharing comments. Also please subscribe this channel. We will be posting videos according to your need. Thank you everyone.